Good morning, everyone. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Ayan, update. Today is Monday again, but 9th of June. So, and time check is for 4:08. Ayan, maliwanag na dito. 4:08. Medyo maliwanag ang langit. And the weather for today is 10 degrees. The highest is 19. And later pa yon tanghali. Tanghali. So, have a look. OOTD of the day. Back to pang winter ang lola nyo. Kasi malamig. Yan. Ayan lang everyone. See you after 15 minutes walk and one bus. Bye bye. See you when I see you everyone. May racket ulit tayo mamaya. Time check, 5:26 everyone. Napa-early kami. Kaya kain tayo bago magtrabaho every Good morning everyone. Time check 9:32. So kain muna bago ang racket. Dito tayo maghintay ng tamang oras at tamang panahon para sa racket. Kumain tayo ng pancake for craving. Going to last racket. Time check is battery na ako. 3:31. Battery low na ang relo. Ayan. Meron pala ditong blue orchids. Blue orchids atin. Ayan. Everyone. Ang laurel ay pang display lang dito. Ayan yung David game. Yun. Doon ako pupunta everyone. See you when I see you. See you after 4 hours. At going home. Wow. I'm here already. So, today is Monday. No class. There is. And here also. There is finish. And there is also. No one is here except me. That's it, everyone. See you. Going home. 7. Ayan o, lobat. Kasi red. So, kain tayo everyone. Gutom na tayo. 12 oras nagtrabaho. Grabe na to. Good night. God bless. I love you all.